Disclaimer: all stunts performed in this video are done in a controlled and/or professional environment where no one is able to get hurt.
No. What? Oh, he's eyeing me down. Oh shit. What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to the Bang on the channel. As you can see, we got the M5 out. Show them back there. For those who don't know where this is, we are in Manhattan. About to be at Times Square. It's literally like a couple blocks down. I'm gonna park somewhere, let him get out and run to wherever, like the side of Times Square. And we're gonna go do our thing, man. But let's go.
Everything's gonna be legal though, right?
Yeah, fully legal. Let's go. Guys, they're fucking searching for us, bro. You know what? Hello, officer. They're pulling over a moped. Oh, now he's eyeing me down. I gotta get the fuck about it. Yo, my camera's gonna get me arrested. Oh, shit. Oh, the dead ass coming for us, bro. Wait, no, that's a fuck. Ooh. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, there's mad cops.
I don't get paid enough for this, bro. I'm too scared.
We should let off some burbos next to the cops, because I heard that Times Square NYPD is chill. Like, obviously I don't want to get pulled over, but if we get pulled over, fuck it.
Yo, ask them if you'll pull up in front of them and just like hazard, just jump out the car and get some videos real quick. Ain't no way bro's doing a pull. Oh my god, in the middle right here. Oh my god, there's too many. Yeah, fuck it. Bro. Oh. They're kicking us out, bro. Huh?
Get in the phone.
Wait, should I ask them now? You're right next to them. Hey, excuse me. Oh. Bro.
Who are you asking? Hey, excuse me. What the fuck you think this is? There's fucking cops everywhere. Yo, we're getting pulled over 100%. Bro. We're done. We're done. Oh my. Yo, I swear, that's the only thing I love about Manhattan, bro. You can hear this shit. Hey guys, this is gonna be the end of today's video. We got chased by an imaginary cop. We did a burnout in front of a cop car, which I don't know why they didn't chase me, but like I said, Times Square cops, Manhattan cops are chill. They don't give a fuck about what you do as long as you're not selling drugs or doing some illegal stuff. Like, I'm fully legal, takes was on, everything is looking good. But I don't know who was doing that burnout in my car. If you enjoyed today's video, hit the like button because that helps me want to make more videos for you guys. Subscribe if you haven't already. There's more videos coming out every week. And this guy is, who knows what he's doing, but we're going to be making more videos for you guys every week. Once a week uploads, maybe more than that. But yeah, love you all. Thank you for watching.